and now I'm going to do hotcakes. Okay, so first of all, we need flour, an egg, butter, vanilla, and milk, and a mixer. We are going to put the egg in the flour. Then the butter that is already like with fire, and a little bit of vanilla. Then milk. And then we are just going to mix it. So now I put a little bit of butter, and now this is a mix of the hotcakes. So when you see that some bubbles come out, it's time to turn around it. So when they are ready, you just pass it to a plate and prepare it as you prefer. I prepare it with honey and jelly, strawberry jelly, and with a banana milkshake or coffee, as you prefer. Okay, so now it's time to eat. Thanks for watching, and now I'm going to taste my delicious creation.